Okay, everybody, so welcome back. This is Ian from Mindful Marketplace and a tiny book about. It is the 8th of November, 2024. And again, I'm recording a bunch of short videos and audios on building your brand, your business, and your bank account using Card, Framer, WordPress. It really matters not as a tiny agency, as a solopreneur, as a home based business, etc., 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 in 2025, starting right now. And I want to actually do something unusual, a little unorthodox. This is our tiny course community. You can see, just a bunch of the courses that we have here available on the front end of the site. This is but a fraction of the total courses that are in the back end. I'm showing you the public view. But here is a video that I recorded. It looks like, let's see, when 3 months ago, and it's called Tiny Sites, Big Profits: The Easiest Way to Make Great Money Selling Design, and in parentheses, Framer, Card, and more. This, in 15 minutes, will teach you exactly how to build a brand and a business and a ethical, scalable strategy for really doing work that you love in a fulsome way that actually scales over time and scales, pursuant to your own particular preferences, needs, etc., etc. And it's here, it's free. I had it unlisted uh, up until a few minutes ago, and I just unlisted it, or I'm sorry, I just republished it. I'll post a link below so you can actually watch this if you want, but don't go and pay for these expensive guru gimmicky kind of bullshitty sort of strategies and programs that are not going to actually get you the results that you want. This literally, and again, this is exactly what I do. That's why I just showed you our course community here. I mean, these are courses, tiny courses that I teach every day using recordings like this that are specifically designed to get higher end clients. And it's easy to do, it's ethical, and it's actually the single strategy that doesn't require you to do anything that's, anything pushy, anything that's kind of salesy or obnoxious. I know many folks in my community, including myself, don't like to sell. I actually recorded another short video yesterday on the 7th of November that I'm also going to publish for free today, that I kind of highlight in real time what I think are the the merits or the virtues of a good outreach campaign. And I actually read one in real time from another someone who emailed me yesterday that whose software we've used in the past to teach courses, and I think illustrates how you can ethically, honestly, and effectively sell more things. Again, whether it's Card, whether it's Framer, whether it's yourself, you can do all of this in a transparent, authentic, honest way that actually works out to be a feature, not a bug of the selling process. You don't need to be bullshitty. You don't need to, send these ridiculous emails that have, like, we're opening back up for one more day kind of nonsense, or my schedule is full, but my assistant, did X, Y, or Z. My assistants, I have three of them. They're dogs that are sitting right now in the background, watching me, wondering who I'm talking to on the screen, right? You don't need any of that nonsense to do ethical, honest, and very profitable work. So again, this is our course community. This is the video that I'm going to link to in this recording, so you can watch this. And I think if you give it 15 minutes, which I believe that's all it is. Let me see if I can see the exact time. It's 14 minutes and 25 seconds. I'm a dum dum. I'm literally looking for the answer down here when it's right there. But this is all you need if you're really interested. And, oh, and by the way, I just showed you that one course community. This is another course community which I don't even use anymore. But you can see this is Podia actually. Subscribers 1 point almost 4K, customers 2.77K, members in the community itself, like the folks like who are just interacting, not necessarily customers or subscribers, but in the membership program here that they used to offer. They don't do this so much anymore, but a bunch of those as well. And again, that is distinct from this, a completely different community. So this works, and it will work for you. It's just a function of giving up on these silly ideas that invariably are doomed to disappoint. All right, so I encourage you to watch this, regardless of what kind of design service or business building endeavor or adventure you're up to right now and going into the holiday season, when it's the absolute best time of year to really get serious about selling stuff to people who actually have their wallets open, who are interested in investing in themselves, and in their own sort of goals for 2025. I encourage you to watch this. There's nothing to buy, just watch a free video on YouTube where I outline the exact strategy that I use all the time. Teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. I hope this is helpful for you, and I encourage you to check this out below. Thanks again. Have a wonderful day.